Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Who could be bacon? That's the baby. Oh, and who doesn't love peanut butter? And who doesn't love a burrito? And who doesn't love Foster? Well, a lot of people, but most of you guys do really dig my stuff. Today it's probably the simplest thing you could do. And weird, but it's going to be delicious. It's a bacon peanut butter burrito. Now I've got this tortilla. This is a flour tortilla all warmed up. I'm going to put this bad boy together. It's fast, simple, and easy. Let's check it out. All right, here's the burrito. You're just going to take this peanut butter and you're just going to just smear it. Oh, yeah. I love peanut butter. It's very healthy for you. It's loaded with protein. Peanuts are good for you. I got a video on why you should eat peanuts. A little more. All right. Now you take the bacon. I'm going to use 3 pieces right here. Why 3? Because this last piece is for my wife. She's going to kill me if I don't give it to her. And then you start rolling. Check it out. Just like a regular burrito, pull it in from the sides. You can hear that bacon crunching a little. See it? Of course you see it. It's right in front of you. And that's it. There it is. I'm going to do a little sliceroo and a reveal. It looks cocoa. Let's get a close-up. There's the close-up. Big bite coming up. One of my simplest recipes yet. But guess what? Who cares how easy it is if it doesn't taste good? Let's try it. I'm crunching that bacon. I'm getting the peanut butter right there. It's gorgeous. It's a protein bomb. It's all neatly wrapped up in a flour tortilla. I gotta tell you, I've been eating some weird things lately, trying stuff. Some works, some doesn't. This baby works. It's gorgeous. I love it. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. There's a smile right there. Until next time, sweet baboo. Peace.
Live life 365.
I just put some in my mouth. I can't talk. Check out my new cutting board. Oh. Bacon, peanut butter. That's all it is, peanut butter. I already said sweet, but I will say it again. Bye-bye.